Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make up to $967 per day with no investment. So the benefit of this is that it requires no investment up front. You don't have to do any selling. It works if you don't have a massive following. Method works pretty much anywhere, and it is perfect for newbies. So before I really get into things, if this is the first video on this channel and you are excited for this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can be notified of all the new videos I post in the future. I talk pretty much about affiliate marketing, how to grow a business online, different ways of making money on the internet. So if that is something that interests you and you want to learn more, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and tick the bell icon to be notified of all the videos that I post on this channel. But without further ado, let's get right into things. So the very thing that I'm going to be showing you in this video is how to make sales by giving away free stuff. So what I mean by that is that there's a few affiliate offers that you could promote that offer free resources up front, but then on the back end they have upsells, down the line, where if someone finds value from the free resource, then they can choose to buy into the upsells down the line. So one very great example that I want to show you of this is actually a book that I read a while back. It's called .com Secrets, which I actually have it. Let me see if I can get it. The book, I actually have it right here. This is the book that I have. And this book right here, you could actually get for free on through the ClickFunnels affiliate program right there. So if you have not been a member of ClickFunnels before, all you would have to do is just go open a new tab and search up ClickFunnels affiliate. So that's what you'll want to search up there. And there should be a link somewhere down here. It is affiliates.clickfunnels.com. You'll just want to click on this link right here. And this will lead up to the page on where you could sign up to be a ClickFunnels member, or ClickFunnels affiliate rather. So if you already have a ClickFunnels account, then you could just sign into that and go to the affiliates tab right here. So if I sign into my account right here, and under my profile picture, there's this option that says affiliates. This will take you to where it'll take you to where you get a log in as an affiliate for ClickFunnels. So if you have a ClickFunnels account, just log into your account, go to affiliates. Otherwise, if you don't, then you could always just sign up through this page right here. So I'm going to let that load up a second. And once that loads up, this will take us to the ClickFunnels affiliate program right here. And there's a video like right down here where Russell kind of talks more about what the ClickFunnels affiliate program is all about. They have like a dream car program. If you get like enough sales with them, they give you like a free car, which is pretty cool. But it talks more about that there. But anyways, what you'll want to do is you will want to log into your ClickFunnels affiliate account. So I'm going to click on this log into your dashboard now, and this is going to take us to the different the affiliate program where it's got all the different offers inside of the ClickFunnels affiliate program. So ClickFunnels, I believe, has one of the better affiliate programs out there because they have multiple offers and they're known to convert very, very well. If I scroll down a bit more, it's going to give us the list of the different products that they have. So we've got the One Funnel Away Challenge. We've got the ClickFunnels Affiliate Center. This is where you could promote, ClickFunnels itself, which is the software. There's the different books that they have. Now, the book that I want to mention right here in particular is the .com Secrets book, as I have right here. So this book, as I mentioned, you can get for free, pretty much. And you could, go to this page right here. So when you click on affiliate tools, get my links, it'll open up the .com Secrets affiliate page. And this is where you can get your own affiliate link for the ClickFunnels, the .com Secrets book. So right here, this would be my affiliate link right here. And to give you an idea of what this would look like, if I copy this entire link and I open up in a new tab, it'll take me to where I could check out the actual book if I want to myself. Now, this is my personal affiliate link. If I refer someone to this link and they actually pick up the book, then they will be cookied to me pretty much. So this page right here is, it talks more about, what the .com Secrets book is all about. There's a video from Russ that will be popping up here in a second. But once that does, it'll, pretty much explain what that's all about there. If that wants to load, it seems like my internet's being a bit slow right now. But yeah, there's a video right there that's popping up. And then if you want to actually pick up the book yourself, then you could just fill out this information and then The one thing that you will need to get this book is that you will need to pay for shipping. So I believe shipping is about, like $7 to like $10. It's fairly cheap, very affordable. But what you could actually do is you could actually give this book away for free because Russell Brunson is actually offering this for free. You send people to your affiliate link, and then when they decide to pay for shipping, they get the book. Then that's when they get cookied to you. Now, on the back end, Russell has some upsells for this book, and if we go into the affiliate page for the .com Secrets book, we'll see exactly what those upsells are. So the .com Secrets book is free to get, aside from shipping, and for every person that you get to order the .com Secrets book for free, you get paid $1. So pretty good. You get paid $1 for that. Not a lot, but it's something. Then on the back end, there are a few upsells. So we have the black box, which is priced at $37, and for every customer that you get to buy the black box, you get $14.80. There's also the 3 funnel bundle, which is $37, and again, for every customer you refer to that, you get $14.80. Then they have the audiobooks, which is $47. So this is where someone wants to get the audio version of .com Secrets as well, with a few other bonuses that they give. Then they could buy it. It's like 50 or like 47 right here, and then when they buy that, you get $18.80. Traffic Secrets is the $297 price point, and for every customer that goes through your link and they buy this upsell, you get $118.80. And then Funnel Builder Secrets is their most expensive package in the back end, which is priced at almost $2,000. And for every customer that goes through your link and they buy that upsell, you get $798.80. Now, considering that you send someone through your link and they get the book, they are excited for it, they get lots of value from it, and they decide they want to buy the upsells. So they buy, let's say that they buy every single upsell inside of this funnel here. If you were to get someone to go through this entire process and they bought all those upsells, you would get a total of $967 from one single customer. So think about that for a minute. That's extremely, very, very powerful. And, it talks more about that here. So that's pretty much what it, goes over there. So audiobook plus bonuses, $18.80. The traffic secrets, $118.80 cents there. And then there is also funnel builder secrets. So all this together, if someone goes through this entire process and they buy all those upsells, you get a total of $967. So that is a very, very great earning potential, just, considering that you gave away something for free pretty much. And Russell, the creator of this book and all these upsells, he pretty much does all the selling and telling for you. So you don't have to worry about having to convince someone to buy any of these upsells here, because Russell Brunson takes them through the process, and he has a proven sales funnel built up where it is known to convert very, very well. And these upsells are filled with lots of value. So a lot of people that, they buy into the .com Secrets book, considering that there's someone that, they're actually interested in what the book is about, which is about, growing your company online through, using like sales funnels. It's a very, very in-depth book about, how to actually use sales funnels. And I actually did a review on this just recently, I think like a few months back or something, which if you want to check that out, I will have it linked right above here. I'll have like a card above that. But the question is, how exactly do you go about promoting the .com Secrets book? Well, there's actually 2 ways that you can go about this, and I'm going to show you both the 2 methods that you could use to promote this book actually. So the very first method that you could do is you can go to ebay.com, and what you could do is you could actually list this book on ebay.com. And this book actually, I believe, is selling on ebay.com as well as, it's like Amazon as well. If I type in, .com Secrets, and I search that up, I'll find listings of this book right here. So Expert Secrets plus .com Secrets, One Funnel Away, proven by Russell Brunson. If I scroll down a bit more, we've got .com Secrets right here. So what you could actually do is you can create a listing on ebay.com, and what I would personally recommend is actually getting the book yourself. having it, shipped to your door, so that once you have it, in your possession, you could actually take a picture of it with, your phone, and then you can create a listing on eBay.com as if you were about to sell this book. Now, what you could actually do is you could price it around, at like, $20, maybe 30, and then in the title, what you could say is .com Secrets Book by Russell Brunson. Get it for free in the description. You could write that in parentheses, and then in the description, you could include your affiliate link to the .com Secrets book, which when someone sees that it's free, they can get it for free. Obviously, they're going to want to have it for free. They don't want to pay $20 or $30 when they know that they can get the book for free. So they buy it through your link, and then if they find it valuable enough that if they're interested in the upsells, which most people who actually do buy the book, they end up buying at least 1 or 2 upsells, then you will also get commissions on those as well, with no additional selling on your end. And this is completely passive. You are getting these sales, on the back end without having to do any selling in particular. But this is one great strategy on how you can choose to promote the .com Secrets book. Another thing that you could do actually is you can use a site called Quora.com. And what you could actually do is, one thing that I wouldn't recommend doing is putting your affiliate link in like a question, in like an answer. But Quora.com is like a question and answer site where people ask questions, and then you could give them like an answer if you feel like you have a good answer. Now, I'm not going to recommend that you just take your affiliate link and you just spam it in the answer of like a question or something like that. What you want to do is you want to find someone who is, of course, looking for information about how they can grow their business online, how to get more sales with their online business. You want to look for questions like that, and you want to answer them talking about, like a free book that they can get where it talks more about how they could actually, get more sales in their business. And instead of putting your affiliate link in the answer, what you could actually do is you can, customize your profile, and then you could add a description in your profile, and then you could add your affiliate link. So in your answer that you give, you could say something along the lines of, I found a book that, has really helped me called .com Secrets, and this book has helped me a lot to make more sales in my online business. If you want to check it out for yourself, you could actually get it for free by clicking on my profile and checking out the link that I have there. So that is something that you could do there. And Quora does not, they usually don't like, affiliate links and, different answers. But if you have it, in your bio, then they won't really mind it as much. You could have that in your bio, and then you can, of course, it's fine that way, because you're not pushing people straight to an affiliate link. If they visit your profile, they're of course coming to you. They want to learn more about, about yourself, and then you could recommend them a product through your profile there. So that is really the entire strategy there. Those are the 2 methods, the 2 ways that you could actually promote .com Secrets for free. One other thing that I would recommend doing is if you read the book yourself, which I highly recommend it if you are looking to build any sort of business online and you find it valuable. I also recommend doing a video review, or also like a written review on like a blog. But there are definitely lots of great ways that you could, of course, promote this book for free. These are just the 2 main methods that I wanted to share. And the reason why I recommend promoting something that is, of course, free on the front end is because it's much easier for you to get someone, especially if you're completely brand new, it's much easier to get someone to, pick up something that is free rather than getting them to, of course, buy something right away. If they don't exactly know who you are, then they're not going to be as interested in buying, something from you, compared to like if you're offering something for free. So I always recommend, if you're just getting started, be sure to, check out .com Secrets for yourself, and check out a few of the other books that Russell Brunson has. He has a lot of like free plus shipping books. Like he has the Expert Secrets book, which is also free to get on the front end. And there's even the Network Marketing Secrets book, which is also free on the front end. So each of these books that, inside of the ClickFunnels affiliate program, they're all free to get, but then they have upsells on the back end where if you refer someone to the free book, yes, you get, only $1 for each person that you refer, but then you make more money on the back end when they actually decide to buy the upsell. So that is really what I highly recommend checking out there if you are completely brand new. If you don't have, anything to invest, If you don't have like a massive following, then this is something that I highly recommend trying yourself. And it's a great way to start making some money online if you are completely brand new. So anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give this a like if you found it really helpful, because it really does help the channel. But if you want to learn more about how to really build an online business, if you want to know how to create something that will actually support you in the long term, if you want to create a passive income for yourself, then the very first link in the description will give you access to my free training I put together, which goes over how to really build a business online through the concept of affiliate marketing. So in that training, I go over four things that you must have in place to really build a long-term business online, and that's pretty much what that training goes over there. So anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. Check out that free training and take care.